City don't sleep, and neither do I. Neon dreams under a concrete sky. Footsteps echo on these empty blocks, where the heart beats fast and the silence talks. Smoke in the air, truth in the grime. Hope feels distant, lost in time. I walk alone through the static and steel. This city's cold, but the struggle is real. Lights in my face, but I'm stuck in the dark. Each street corner, leave a mark. Sirens sing and the hustle replies, but even kings get ghosted. I rise, built from pain, but I stand so tall.